Hello and welcome to today's tutorial. I'm going to be showing you how to set up Microsoft Outlook 2010 and add an email account to get you going. So first we're going to open up Outlook. If it's the first time you've opened it, you will be prompted with the startup wizard. So I'm going to click next. The first question is asking if you would like to configure an email account, so we will say yes because we want to receive email. Next question is auto account setup. Now sometimes this will work depending on your email account. It will automatically find the required settings. It doesn't always work. A lot of ISPs won't automatically retrieve the information, so I would recommend you go to manual. At the bottom, manually configure settings, click next. In most cases 90% of you will be using the internet email option here. All ISPs usually use POP or IMAP. Most internet based accounts, Gmail or Hotmail if you're using it in Outlook, or your internet provided accounts will use that option. So let's choose that and next. Okay, now this is the settings window where you'll need to fill in all your information. So I'm just going to fill in some information here. Now I'm going to be using my TPG account, which I never use for email. It's something that was provided to me for free with my internet service. And so as you can see, I've got my display name. Now this is what other people will see when they receive an email from you. So this can be your first name, it can be you can have two names in there. I can have your partner's name as well. You can have your business name if it's for business purposes. Obviously your email address, the account type. Majority of you should be using POP3. Occasionally IMAP is also usable. It depends on if your internet provider allows it and whether you want to do that or not. I'll explain both of those in the description of the video. The incoming server is obviously the server you contact to receive email, and the outgoing is the server that you're sending email through. And in most cases that has to be the internet provider that you're connected to. In this case I'm using TPG as my internet provider. It's also where I'm sending email through. Login name, which is your username, and then the password. Over here on the right we have an automatically enabled to test the settings, and there is a more settings option down here. Most cases you won't need to modify those settings. Occasionally you will, but I'll go into that in another video. So we're going to click next. Now, as you can see, it's testing. We've got a green tick for log on, and it's just sending a test email now, and that's all green ticks, so that's all fine. Now we've got a finish option. You can add another account here, but we're just going to go ahead and click finish. And Outlook should now open up. If you look down the bottom, it says send receiving message 3 of 3, and if we expand my account here, I've got 3 emails, and that's it. It's all working. Alright, I will be posting another video with some advanced email setups, which will involve changing port numbers and stuff, which some accounts require. So stay tuned for that. Thank you.